How to fix stage on your video after posting. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix stage after posting on your video, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app. Now all you need to do is click on your video, choose the video you want to edit stage on. Now click on those 3 points and scroll over this list. You're gonna find privacy settings. Click on it. On here you're gonna find option. You can turn on or off allow stage. Now other people can stage on you with your videos, and this is it. You can turn off or on whatever you want. So this is it guys. You can turn off stage on all your videos by click on those 3 lines and click on setting and privacy, and click on privacy, scroll down and you're gonna find stage. You can choose only me. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.